Oahu, Hawaii, our first destination of the year. After a long Canadian winter, we were in need of some sun, relaxation, good food, and good vibes. Little did we know, this beautiful island has so much more to offer than just a postcard come to life. Darlene and I want to explore the world, but we have full-time jobs and bills to pay at home. With only 4 weeks of vacation a year, we're on a mission to make every moment count. This isn't just about taking vacations, it's about discovering new places and experiencing adventures. Once that travel bug bites you, it has you, there's no turning back. Good morning. Just made it to Waikiki, Honolulu. It's our first day. We just arrived late last night. Couldn't really do much. We're going to just grab some coffee, breakfast, and maybe some supplies for the house. And then just chill out for the rest of the day. I think we're just gonna explore Waikiki Beach and get some sun and surf. No, we're not gonna surf, but we'll try and see what's going on out there. We got some bagel and lunch. It looks good. Alfalfa, something. I don't know. No, it's good.
Yeah, I can't wait. Last night I just drove Sunset Beach when I came back for a long way from
I haven't had this in a long time. Really good. It's tasty. These are my 3 bites versus Darlene's 3 bites.
Do you want to try it? Can we try this one?
Got it. Good. We got a kitchen. This is our living room. Bedroom and bathroom. This is our balcony. How is it? How's the water? It's good. We just made it to the lagoon in front of, I think, a few of these hotels. Check this out. Beautiful lagoon, man. It's pretty cool. Small little place. I didn't know you could actually swim in it.
This is like the whole, right?
This is the... No, that's further. This is not Waikiki yet. You have to go all the way around the corner. See, like where that, I think further down there. got some spicy ahi. Get some rice. Really good. Filming, I don't know why. There's nothing this week. Just hanging out.
Give me a sunlight, tell me your give me a love, give me a reason, give me a reason, give me a reason. Give me a sunlight, tell me your give me a love, give me a reason, give me a reason, give me a reason. Give me a sunlight, tell me your give me a love, give me a reason, give me a reason, give me a reason. Give me a sunlight, tell me your give me a love, give me a reason, give me a reason, give me a reason.
Well, verdict? It's good? Looks fancy. Let's try this out. We got some boba.
Tell me your give me a love, give me a reason, give me a reason, give me a reason. Give me a sunlight, tell me your give me a love.
So we're in this place called Masubi Cafe. Check this place out. It's pretty cool. Has all of these little like souvenirs for Masubi. Masubi. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't know what to get. I get one of these things.
But then this one says like Hawaii.
Hawaii on it. Yeah, they're both good. I don't know. Yeah, we could try it. What did we get? It's miso salmon, and we got an eel egg. Eel egg. So let's try this. Cooked.
Good?
Good. I didn't know it was cooked. I thought it was raw.
He likes it. I think he likes it.
You want more?
Yeah.
So we're on our way over to see sunset. There's a spot apparently supposed to be nice called Tantalus Point. Supposed to be a really cool spot to see the sunset. So hopefully we go and check it out.
In 200 meters.
It's supposed to be really popular, so I don't know. Hopefully we'll make it.
Destination will be on the right.
So here's the sunset over on this side. You can see it. I kind of screwed up. I thought it would be a whole spot, but you're literally parking on the side of the road for some of these things. But the view is really nice. Up there.
One eternity later.
We are off to dinner. Going for a walk. It's about 25 minutes from where we're staying. Paia Fish Market, which is one of our favorites in Maui. I didn't know they actually had one here in Oahu. So we're gonna go there, but it's a bit of a walk. And it's not too hot. It's a little breezy. So we'll walk it out. We'll walk it out. You hungry? Yeah, she's hungry. So we got the fish tacos, soft tacos with rice, and ahi burger, tuna burger. I think we're supposed to switch it. So like,
This is here already, so.
oh, you're gonna,
You want this first?
I don't know, I'll watch you take a bite. Oh, that's a big bite. Maybe I'll cut it. Is it good? Yeah. I'm gonna do this one hand.